is Written Total Parts Pro to the 2022 Ford Puma, stock number 7087. Strength of 2020 to the current shape. It has a BZJA 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a BZJA 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Spare wheel, left hand door mirror, right rear door, no dents, left rear door, no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear right front door, no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3 spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,